Hi, for this assignment, Standard 2 Human Capital, I decided to do a professional development on number talks. I recently read a book by Sherry Parrish, and I really enjoy learning about number talks and think that number talks is a very awesome and practical strategies that teachers can use to get their students talking and computing mental math uh, in their head and then sharing it out loud. So today we're going to talk about number talks. And when I read this book, I asked myself, what is number talk? So I too was learning number talk um, as I was reading the book. So I have never even heard of number talks until I read the book by Sherry Parrish. So what is number talk? Number talk is a classroom conversation and discussion around a purposefully crafted computation problems. These are opportunities for the class to come together to share their mathematical thinking. So what it is a problem that a teacher can present to a student, whether it's a new problem or a spiral review problem, and the teachers allow the students to look at the problem and think of different ways in their head that they can solve the problems. Students are presented with problems in either a whole or small group setting and are expected to learn to mentally solve them accurately, efficiently, and flexibly. So during this professional development, I have linked two videos, and I am going to show the teachers the video first. And as they are watching the video, I want them to think about the following. How does the teacher build student fluency with small numbers? What question does the teacher pose to build understanding? How are the tools and models used to support the goals of K2 number talks? What strategies are the student using to build meaning of the numbers? What example of subsidizing conserving number and one-to-one correspondence do you notice? What opportunities are created for the students to begin building an understanding of 10? How does the teacher support student communication during the number talk? So then again, I will show the teacher a video, and the video is a couple of minutes. Go ahead and look at the video real quick. And again, this is a video for kindergarten. Turn on the volume. So as you can see, the teachers are showing them a very simple 10 frame uh, because this is a kindergarten class. And the students are allowed to talk about what they see and they're to share it. And again, the teacher is just facilitating. She's not teaching. She's not um, telling the kids they're wrong. She's just actually letting them share, letting them come up with a way that they can solve this problem mentally in their head. There's no right or wrong answer, so the kids feel good about being able to share. So as you can see, the kids are sharing and they're coming up with their own strategy. I mean, it's all mentally in their head. They have no pen or paper, and each child have their own strategy to solve a 7. Sorry, get this video out. So to achieve what you just saw, where the students are able to share, the environment and the community of Number Talk has to be safe. Students should be comfortable in offering responses for discussion, questioning themselves and their peers, and investigating new strategies. The culture of the classroom should be one of acceptance based on a common quest for learning and understanding. So I would ask the teachers, what did you notice on the video? I'm hoping that the teacher will respond that all the students were well behaved. They all knew the procedures of sharing. They were able to share without making fun of each other. And at the same time, the teacher was guiding them and prompting them, but not actually answering them. And she allows students uh, to share without cutting them off. So she had a little bit of a wait time. And each students were smiling and feeling safe that they could respond, even though they were wrong or right. They knew that they could share in their classroom. So again, for Number Talks to work, the environment has to be comfortable and safe. The other components of Number Talk is classroom discussion. During a number talk, the teacher presents a problem and gives the students time to solve the problem mentally. So as you can see in the video, the teacher simply showed a 10 frame with dots on it. Students were given the opportunity to share their strategies and justification with their peers. In number talks, wrong answers are used as an opportunity to clear misconceptions and for students to investigate their thinking and learning from their mistakes. So again, in this professional development, I would definitely ask the teacher, what did you notice on the video? What did you notice about the body language? And as you can see, the body language of the students, they were very comfortable. They were able to put their thumbs up. They were able to stand up, come to the teacher, point out what they know, and some kids were also thinking of other strategies while other kids were sharing. So again, the teacher, they're only the facilitator. They are moving the discussion along. So again, they're not trying to correct the students, even though if the students got the wrong answer, the teacher should turn it around and give an opportunity to use the wrong answers to let the kids think about a new strategy using their mistakes. And another component of number talk is the teacher's role. As you can see, the teacher here was the facilitator. Since the heart of number talk is classroom conversation, it is appropriate for the teachers to move into the role of facilitator. As a facilitator, you must guide the students to ponder and discuss examples that build upon your purposes. Keeping the discussion focused on the important mathematics and helping the students learn to structure their comments. And wondering during a number talk is essential to ensure that the conversation flows in a meaningful and natural manner. And again, I will ask the teachers, what did you notice on the video as I'm giving this training? Sorry. And role of mental math. Mental computation is a key component of number talks because it encourages students to build on number relationship to solve problems instead of relying on memorized procedure. Mental computation also helps strengthen students' understanding on place value. So the whole purpose of number talk is to have the children do mental math in their head, just to come up with different strategies using what they already know, what other students are saying. So they're not just using their fingers, they're not just using paper and pen. So with number talk, students are allowed they're encouraged and allowed to build on number relationship to solve problems. And then to end the professional development, to end this training, I will show a teacher another clip. This is a second grade clip, and as they're watching the second grade teachers perform number talk, I will tell my teachers or my audience that I want them to reflect, and after that we're going to create some 10 frames, and we will practice number talk with each other. So this is my professional development video for this assignment over number talk. Thank you.